You need to know that publishing a theme doesn't automatically activate your store. Most of the time, you're going to see this page that is showing opening soon, and you might wonder exactly what you need to do. The first thing you want to do is you need to know that you need to select a plan. So in case maybe your plan has expired, you might likely see something like this. And in case you want to go about that, you can go to your settings. Just like this, click on settings at the bottom corner there. Then click on plan. Then here's the plan. Click on change plan. And you want to select a plan, because if you do not have any plan activated, it is not going to work. So you need to pay for a plan, either $1 for several months or whatever. Just go ahead, pick a plan. Once you're done with that, come straight to your dashboard like this. Then you want to come to online store. Then you want to click on preferences. And once you click on preferences, you're going to see something like this, top password protection. So you just want to toggle this off. But sometimes, in case maybe this is the first time you're creating your store and you've not actually done something like this, you're going to see a text here that is going to tell you it's going to link to your store information. So just go ahead, click on the little text that is there and go ahead and fill in your store information. Okay, just your address, okay, your postal code, your phone mobile number, and that is all. And just click on save. And once you've done that, come back here and you just toggle this off. Toggle this password protection, just toggle it off. And now you're good to go. And just make sure that you save, okay? And you can add more information right there to your store, okay? Just to make it, available. Just go ahead, change the whole title and all that. And the moment I go back now and I refresh this page, it's going to activate. So you see, now my store is activated. So this is exactly how you can go about you removing the opening soon page in your Shopify store. If this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new tutorial videos like this. And also like this video, even if you don't want to subscribe, like it so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there. And I wish you the best of luck. Please share this video with your friends and family. Also, it might possibly help someone. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.